Today I'm going to show you how you can change the language on YouTube. Now to get started from your app, you want to go to your profile section down here, and then you want to go to the gear icon up top, and then on here you want to go to general. Now on general you see there will be an option that says app language. Now on app language, just pick whichever language you want. For example, I want to change the language to Basque. Just click on change, wait for it to load. And then that's it. You can see my app language has been changed. If you want to change it back, again, following the same pattern, go back here and then go to application language here. And then if you want to pack it to English, tap it that. And then that's it. Now let's move on to the computer. Now for YouTube, it's much more simple. If you want to change the language, you just have to tap on the profile section up here. And then on here, you want to go to language. And then on language, just change to whichever language you want. I'm just going to change it to Indonesian here. And then that's it. You can see everything here has been changed. The language is all done. And if you want to change it back, again, go the same pattern, go to the language section here, change it back to English, for example, here. And then that's it. You're done.